Unique, something everyone desires but struggle to find. Unique is hard to come by, especially in the sea of mediocrity. But this Jawa Perak, it begs to differ. After all, it's the first factory custom bobber in India. The Perak's origin story is pretty unique too. Born in war-torn Europe, tested in disguise, a motorcycle built to push behind enemy lines. This is history's original stealth bike. But the year is 2025 and the idea of a bobber has evolved. So how does the Perak strike that balance between past and present? Well, still stealthy, a long and low single seat, and an ever so distinguished stance. You might think that the attention to detail is limited to design and not performance. Well, think again, because underneath this mysterious charisma is a powerful 350 Alpha 2 liquid-cooled engine delivering 29.9 PS and 30 Nm, paired to a 6-speed gearbox and an assist and slipper clutch for pure driving pleasure. Numbers aside, here's what it feels like. Torque that's easily spread across the range, power to cruise, power to thrill, and power that allows you to relax. Versatile. All in all, if motorcycling was not your cup of tea, this machine might just change it for you. Handle this. The Perak doesn't just sit pretty, it handles like a boss. That stretched 1485mm of wheelbase puts you in control and keeps the motorcycle planted. The suspension setup allows you to take on Indian roads with precision and comfort. So why should you buy the Perak? Well, for starters, if you are someone who appreciates authentic classics, someone who's looking for an authentic bobber with premium styling elements, someone who prioritizes performance and handling in a motorcycle, someone who's done following the herd, then this is for you.